Struggling with prospect conversion, client retention, or feeling that pressure to make every conversation count? Well, what if I told you you could turn these tough conversations into lasting client relationships? In just a 30-minute webinar, I'm bringing on Carl Richards, a New York Times columnist, author of The Behavior Gap, and his new book, Your Money, Reimagining Wealth in Simple Sketches, to teach you how to take transactional talks and turn them into lasting client relationships. So what does that really mean? How are you going to get people to trust you faster, stick with you, and really have those meaningful relationships over time? We're gonna cover all of it in this upcoming webinar we're calling Your Money, Your Message, how to take those conversations in person and in your marketing so that you can build trust quickly and have higher conversion. This is not a webinar you're gonna wanna miss. Register today. We can't wait to see you there.